In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert GIFs in Microsoft Word. Whether you're working on a presentation, document, or any other creative project, adding a dynamic image like a GIF can really enhance your work. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open the Microsoft Word document where you want to add the GIF. Once you have your document ready, you'll want to locate the Insert tab, which is conveniently positioned at the top of the Microsoft Word window. By clicking on the Insert tab, you'll gain access to a wide array of options that allow you to add different elements into your document. One of the options you'll see after selecting the Insert tab is Pictures. Clicking on Pictures opens up another set of choices for you. If you're using a Windows computer, you'll want to click on This Device, which allows you to choose a picture or GIF saved on your computer. If you're working on a Mac, you'll need to click on Picture from File. Both of these options are essentially doing the same thing. They're helping you grab an image directly from where it's stored on your device. After you've clicked through to This Device or Picture from File, a File Explorer window will pop up. This is where you'll select the GIF you wish to insert. You could navigate to the folder where your GIF is stored, or if you're already prepared, it might be right in front of you. Make sure the file you select is indeed a GIF, which is a type of animated image format, ideal for the lively touch you might want to add to your document. Once you have located and selected your desired GIF file, go ahead and click the Insert button. With that simple action, Word will automatically place the GIF onto your document. You should see your GIF appear in the exact spot you had your cursor positioned. With your GIF now in your document, you might want to tweak its format or position. You can resize it by clicking on the corners and dragging to the size you prefer. To move it around on the page, simply click and hold anywhere on the GIF, then drag it to your desired location. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can bring any Word document to life with captivating GIF animations, providing your